recipe for you. It is my ultimate barbecue baked beans. But we're not going to bake these beans, we're actually going to cook them in my slow cooker. So let's get started. In my pan, I have some ground turkey, about a pound, and a half a pound of bacon that I've cut up. And we're just rendering down the bacon fat and browning up our ground turkey. From here, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Sazon, 1 chopped yellow onion, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little spice, and about a tablespoon of garlic powder. See, we want to make sure our ground turkey is nice and flavorful, and all those spices and the bacon fat will just marry together and create a nice smoky base for our beans. Alright, once your meat is browning nicely, you want to add 1 orange bell pepper, and then also 1 green pepper that I've just chopped. We want to infuse some good flavor to our baked beans. No one wants boring plain beans. I said ultimate. Meat is perfectly browned. Our next step, we're going to add everything to our crock pot. And I'll show you my special secrets to make your ultimate baked beans for your next party. So we've added our ground turkey and pepper mixture to our crock pot. From there, we're going to add a half a cup of barbecue sauce. It's about a half cup. Into that, match it with a half cup of ketchup. And then 2 cans of pork and beans, or you can buy vegetarian beans if you like. 1 can of dark kidney beans, about a cup of brown sugar, and 1 can of lima beans. And then for a little spice, 1 chopped jalapeno, and then for secret spice, about a tablespoon or 2 of yellow mustard. And from there, we're going to combine everything nicely and cook these beans low and slow for about 4 hours, or you can cook them on high for 4 hours. But basically, you want all your flavors to just marry together, and that brown sugar is going to sweeten things up, and the spice from the peppers will give a little sweet kick. So my last 2 ingredients are a tablespoon of honey, and then my secret flavor weapon is liquid smoke, about 1 tablespoon. And that just gives your beans a nice smoky flavor that will take them to the next level. From there, we're just gonna combine everything nicely. Remember that nice ground meat we cooked earlier? It's gonna just really flavor our dish. Pop a lid on it and let it go low and slow. So our baked barbecue beans have been slow cooking for about 4 hours on low. And you see how they've cooked down. Our sauce has thickened up nicely and they're just luscious. This is what you want for your next barbecue. Perfect for Labor Day. Now it's time to taste. So it's time for me to taste my ultimate barbecue beans. Let's see, they've been cooking for about 4 hours, so I'm super excited. They're on point. Sweet and smoky. So good. You guys have to make this for your next barbecue. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. If you like this recipe and want to see more ultimate recipes from Candi, don't forget to hit subscribe.